So today I'm going to unbox and test one of the hottest new RC rally cars going today. This is the MJX Hyper Go Lancia Delta 2S.
RCs, baby.
This car's by MJX, 1/14 scale, and it's officially licensed by Lancia, guys. It's looking good. Instruction manual, decal set. There we go. It's got a good weight to it. It's looking good. I'm guessing putting these on there to finish off the look. Let's get under the hood. That's the heads of body. Comes with the full light kit, which is nice. Here's the chassis. So this car is coming with a dust cover. First time I've had one of these. Comes with a 2845 brushless motor and a fan. Full metal oil-filled shocks. Okay, it comes with 12 tires. These like a soft rubber. These feel like a more harder rubber. And then these are solid plastic for drifting. Comes with one 2000 mAh 2S LiPo battery. We've got the ESC, we've got a receiver, and we've got a gyro in this one. Shocks look good. 3-channel receiver. There's your charger, the battery, some tools, and a spare fan. Nice sturdy chassis. So let's connect this up and see what it's saying. Alright, it's on. So that seems good. And that's 75%, it's 100. Looking good. Now let's put this back together. And there we have lights. Cool light. Let's see what the back's saying. Right, if we turn, oh, got indicators as well. Nice little touch. And if we drive and brake, we've got reverse light. See that little flash there? We've got brake. Nice touch. Right, so all that's left for me to do is get these decals on the car, complete the look, and give it its first test run. However, it's cold and miserable here, so what we're going to do, we're going to jump on a plane all the way to Spain, where it's nice and warm, and get our groove on, yeah? So here I am, guys, at the amazing Lasagna Beach. I've got the Alpha with me, and I'll start getting on these decals while I'm here at the beach.
Brushless RC.
Alright peeps, so I'm back from the beach. I got the car done up with all the decals. Yeah, so it's looking official now. Yeah, so what we're gonna do, get some batteries put in this, give this a little spin outside on the road, see how it performs with these tires and the other two tires. Alright, so check it. When you buy one of these, they come with this Cefu 2000 MAH 15C 2S batteries, yeah? So let's get this in, get this connected. Alright, batteries all strapped up. It's got the Dean's plug system on here. Alright, so it comes with this clear cover. And I guess it's optional if you want. If you want to add this. For now, I'm going to add this. Alright, so here's the body. And obviously for the light system, we've got to connect this. So we're going to do that before. System on. Can be a bit fiddly with this plastic cover on. Right, job done. Right, there we go. Lights on. Ready to roll.
Running riot.
Well, it's a little mover. So this is on that 2S 15C battery with the rubber tires, and I'm rocking on 100%. Now, I haven't even tried the other tires here, but already I know that this is my fave. It's got grip. But what we'll do in a minute is we will test the other tires, which are thermoplastic. And we'll see how that holds up. Obviously, these nice rubber tires will burn out, and we don't want that just yet. Oh, it lost a bit of perception there. Nice. All right, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get out onto this road, which is nice, empty. I mean, you've seen 2 cars parked there, a couple down there, and there's no one coming. It's a rarity in London. So already, guys, this little mini monster is tearing up the road. Got these rubber tires on there, and I'm interested to see what the thermoplastic will look like. But before we get to those thermoplastic wheels, we will have a blast, see what this can do. Already, I'm liking it. I'm liking the drive. I mean, I'm an Armour baby, yeah, but I am liking this drive. The car looks good, and it's doing its thing. It's doing its thing, yeah. It did cut out once, reception-wise. So we'll see how that goes. But I'm actually feeling this as a little mini monster, yeah? It does around this corner. Nope. honestly. Alright, so what we're saying, guys, thermoplastic time, yeah? Let's get these out. And they are made of harder stuff. So I'm guessing they'll last a bit longer, handle this concrete. Let's get it cracking. Yeah. Yeah, sure. Alright, so now we've got the drift tyres. Yeah, hard plastic. Let's get these drift tyres on and give a little drift around, see how it handles, how it looks, because these are black, not white. Might look better. You alright?
Be sure to like and subscribe to this video.
Alright guys, so that's a wrap for my unboxing of the MJX Hyper Go Lancia Delta 14th scale rally car. We've checked it out with the rubber tyres, the thermoplastic tyres, which have now burnt out. On 2S, next time we'll come with 3S. We've had the standard battery, and then we've dropped in a more uprated 2S battery to see the difference. I think the next step will be to FPV this car with some friends, and we're going to get a race series going on with these, but FPV'd. It's a good little car, fits into your suitcase, take it on holiday with you. I don't have anything to measure the speed, but you know, it goes quick. For the uprated 2S. 3S may be too much for it to be controllable. And yeah, you can hype these cars up, but if it's not controllable, what's the point? Yeah? So, stay tuned as I'll be back dropping one more video from Spain. This time it will be with my 1/8 Proton GT with a Ferrari body on it, yeah? Stay cool, stay tuned, spread love, peace.